Hello, hello. So I'm live right now. Not sure who will get on to join at this time, but in a second, I'm gonna go ahead and start. So if you don't make it in, you can go back and rewatch the video and replay it. But it will start you off good for today's trade, which is 23 January. So let's go. Let's get ready. Welcome to my channel. This is Two Pips. If I haven't said that, that's my name, Two Pips. That's what I'm going by. And of course, it's on the channel's name. So yeah, here we surrounded trading around the TuPar 3.0 trading. Um, but with that being said, we are already almost 4 minutes in. We're going to go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the chat. If you don't make it here, just post it in the comments and I'll get back to you later. So the first thing that I do before I begin trading for the day, I go ahead and I erase all of my marks that I have made and I start fresh. So I mostly focus on the US30 pair, and I'll go ahead and go to the daily time frame. All right. We've had a very good run. At least Friday was amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like we hit all of this. So hopefully we can go ahead and I don't know what the market is going to do as soon as it opens, but I do know that it's still some time, something left to keep going down. Looking at the weekly time frame, excuse me. All right. So that being said, one thing I want you to take heed to, I usually don't have to bump it all the way to the week time frame, but I'm going to do that today because I noticed a few things. All right. So price pretty much have did something similar here, and you have your merged parabolic SARs right there. They did it again here. You see that? Price came down, merged parabolic SARs. And now we have this little area here. Wait, where did my brush go? This little area here, price went down. And now we're beginning a new one right here. And if you pay attention, what you're going to notice is that once price comes down and tap the parabolic SARs, they begin to print up top and give you merged parabolic SARs, right? And if you know me, you've been following me, you know that we have what we call the clockwork. Okay. And basically what I do is ride these bunched up MAs down to my next level, down to my bottom window, which I primarily use for confluence. Sometimes it plays a key role in what I'm doing, and sometimes it doesn't. But in this case, looking at the weekly time frame, I'm noticing that it's trying to ride down to this level here, which is my strong sell level. Now, another thing that I could do is go ahead and start off and mark a trend line. As you could tell, we're very close to our parabolic SARs at the bottom, okay? Now that we have that taken care of and we got a wide understanding or a bigger overview of where price could be going, we're going to go ahead and start on the time frame that I normally start on, and we'll start marking the chart. All right. So daily time frame. What you want to do is mark the high and the lowest point of the current price. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, that is the top. If I'm going too fast, pause it and rewind, do whatever you got to do, but just mark your charts, do whatever you got to do. All right, so bam, we're going to go down here and hit the bottom of the current price right there. And then we're going to hit the candle to the left of where price currently sits at. And forgive me for all my sniffles and all of that. Been feeling under the weather just a bit, but I'm getting better. So go to the left of current price, mark that nearest rejection level, and that's what we did, okay? All right, bam, we did that right here. All right, now, being that I know that price is sitting right here, what I'm gonna do is mark the most recent rejection level that's nearest to current price, not just the current candle, but current price. All right, so now I'm gonna mark, take me a horizontal line, and it may be hard for you to do right here. You might have to drop it down to get it more refined. But bam, I came over here and I saw the rejection. Why? Price is right underneath it. If price pulls back, that's going to be the first location that it pulls back to, okay? And then if I had to look under price, under this current price right here, then I'm going to go ahead and bam, take another horizontal line and mark it right there, okay? Now we have the most recent top and bottom rejections from current price. Current price is here. We have the rejection that we marked right there and then there, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead. What we're doing is marking the most obvious rejection levels. And I can assure you, price will respect them, okay? Bam, mark that one. Hopefully you guys are following along. If you don't get it, hey, chat in the box. Okay, that's the next one right there. Bam. For now, I'm satisfied with the daily time frame. So now I'm gonna drop it down to the 4-hour. Remember, we're scalpers, so I'm trying to get as many lines as possible because I know price is gonna go right back and respect them. Okay. So I don't see anything right here, so I'm satisfied right here unless I move over and then bam, this is what you got to do. You got to always look to the left, baby. Look to the left. Because when I look to the left, I found another rejection point that's very close to where current price is. That price is going to go in respect if it pulls back. Right there. Okay. I like to take care of all of these rejection marks before I actually began trading, because as price moves up and down, and then I have my merged parabolic SARs telling me where I should be going, either bearish or bullish, I know where I'm going to, and I don't have to worry about that in the midst of me trading. Now, 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, I will do those as I'm trading because I'm not going to be waiting forever for price to get from here all the way up there. When I know before it gets all the way up there, it's going to do a pullback, and where it's going to pull back to, probably a most recent rejection, okay? Or it's going to go to a most recent rejection, then pull back, and then go to where we thought it was. And if you'll notice, my lines are black right now, and they're black because these are my higher time frame markings. Price really respects the 1 hour 4H and the daily. And it does respect the 30-minute. It respects all of them, to be honest with you. But I really, really, really respect my black lines because they come from a higher time frame. So, bam, we're good to go. Well, you know what? I ain't gonna fake the funk just because I'm on live. I'm gonna go ahead and mark my other one that I see. Basically, if you see it, mark it. As simple as that. Okay? And if you get in the comments talking crazy, I could challenge you any day. I'm gonna leave it at that. And if you know me, you know what it is, guys. You know what it is. Two ain't playing with. So let's go. All right, I'm gonna put this one up there so I can come back and grab it. But basically, I'm trying to find where it's gonna go by looking to the left. All right. So I put it up there. I'm dragging it down to go right there. All right, and I'm gonna do another one right there based off of that. Well, that was the one I just did. The other one is right next to it. Okay, bam. And now we're gonna pull back up to the 4H. Things are looking good. Okay, and we're gonna drop down to the 1 hour. I'm satisfied right now, guys. I'm satisfied. I'm gonna pull over to the left and I'm gonna see what I can see that's close to the price to see if there's something that I'm really missing, or if something that I can hold off until I go to the 30. All right. Remember, these are the higher time frames, so it's gonna take forever for price to get here. So you might as well mark them if you see them. And right now, I see quite a few. Okay, bam, right there. I see another one. Ooh, I just messed up. I don't know where I had that one, but it's not a big deal. I can fix it. All right, I'm gonna put that one right there and make sure I got it refined. Bam. Okay. So before things get out of hand, I'm gonna go ahead and drop down to the 30-minute time frame and see what I can see. Okay. And right now, I'm looking for a rejection that I did not mark that's kind of recent to price. Okay, because all of these markings I'm going to use. If price pulls back, it's going to respect. I'll go back and fix that. That is my weekly time frame. All right, bam. I'm going to go ahead and put this one right there. Off of that rejection right there. Bam. Now, this is the 30-minute on up to daily with the black lines. Now as I drop low to the 15, and sometimes I'll make the 30-minute the 15 too. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and do that right now. Sometimes prices bust through it, but honestly, it does hesitate there. All right, so now down to the 15-minute time frame. Is there anything that I'm seeing that I can mark? Yes, it is. Bam. Right there. Y'all see that? It's simple, guys. Okay, it's simple. And I expect for price to pull back there. Right now, it's hesitating right here. Who knows? I may end up marking that. I may not, but we'll see. So now I'm gonna drop down to the 5. Okay, price is still at that hesitation point that I said it was gonna be at. All right, this is the 5, and we're looking for scalping opportunities. So 2 pips with a 0.50 lot size honestly gets me about a good 150, $150. So why wouldn't I care to be precise, be accurate? Let's DD, hop in, bam, take profit, get out. Hop in, boom, take profit, get out. Just Friday, guys, I made 20K in one day. Okay? And this is how I'm doing it. I'm not waiting all day. I'm not walking away. I got trust issues when it comes to this chart. I ain't walking away. I'm right here. I'm present. Okay? And it just works well for me. If it doesn't work well for you, understood. Do it your way. Swing it out, baby. But you can also use this strategy for swinging and intraday trading for sure. 100% facts. I got people in my Telegram group that do it all the time. And if you're interested about that, maybe I could look more into it and do some teachings on that. I've already been looking over it a little bit this weekend. I don't really pay attention to it, but I know it's possible because I just scalp. I'm in and out, but the market is going exactly where I thought it was going to go. But I'm really here and now with current price. Okay, bam. So let's drop down. Actually, this is a 5-minute time frame, so I'm going to make that one orange. Okay, at this point, as I mark as I go, my scalping horizontal lines or my rejection horizontal lines become orange. Okay, I might delete them as I go. Lies. I keep them and I keep adding. And if that session is over, if I feel like, all right, I was doing buys, I tried to say that I was gonna delete them, but I don't delete them. I just keep them, guys. I keep them. It gets a little cluttered, I ain't gonna lie. But whatever gets me the coins, that's what matters. All right, so bam. I'm satisfied with what I have and what I see on the 5-minute time frame. Or am I? Yeah. I'll relax for now. Drop down to the 1. Obvious. I'm not satisfied. Bam. This is what I was gonna mark on the 5-minute time frame that I'm marking on the 1 now. And the reason why I marked that is because look at the play of the current candles right now. What they're doing right now is changing in size on you. Okay? Pay attention to price action at all times. Price went from a huge engulfing candle, going bullish, to giving us an indecision candle, the dojis and all of that. And now they want to come back somewhere. And where they're going to come back to? They're going to come back right there to the most recent rejected, obvious rejection level. And then price can proceed to do what it's going to do, which is probably do the clockwork. But be honest, we may not even see this small piece play out right now. And the reason why we may not see it play out is because market's going to open, market is going to go where it's going to go, and then we'll pick it up. It will pick it back up. You know what I'm saying? But I came here to give you the gist of how I mark up charts when I mark them up. That is exactly how to do it, how I do it. And before I take any trade, and I'm not gonna try to get too deep into this. What I will say is that with the TuPar 3.0 strategy, I have to have the chart tell me to enter. And when I say that, I mean that I'm looking for the setup. I'm not going in on my own. I don't think I'm smarter than the charts at all, but I read and I analyze the charts and what they tell me by the placement of the indicators I put on this chart. Again, if it doesn't work for you, toodles, that's fine. But for me, and for a lot of people that follow me in my Telegram group, TuPar BBKOF, it works for us. Okay. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out this here video. It's been amazing. Please like, comment, share. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I wish I had people on here to interact and engage, but if you check this out and your market charts up before you begin trading today, you will be happy. I advise everyone, I recommend to everyone to go and watch my TuReject Concept, watch my TuPar 3.0 video strategy, so you know what you're doing, and watch the chart setup so you can know how to set your chart up like mine. And more power to everyone on here. Hey, much love, one love, two pips. I'm out.